Hey everybody, this is Jack Murphy with Motion3 Technology and a quick tip and also sort of a strategy video as well. Here to show off some very cool features about the VoIP system that we use at Motion3 Technology. And this is called Dialpad, and it does a lot of cool things. But today I'm just going to focus on its ability to transcribe live conversations and allow you to take notes during that phone call. So I'm going to call one of my favorite numbers from when I was a kid, and that is that is National City Bank in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's a time and temp number that I used to call when I was a kid all the time because I wanted to know if it was warm enough to wear shorts. The rule was 70 degrees, and so it was always a bummer when it was 69 because my parents held it to the ground. But here we go. So I could simply hit the call button and it's going to call this number as sort of a redial function, but I'm going to do make a call because I called this number so many times when I was a kid that I have it memorized. 0123. Okay, so we're starting our call right here, and there's our ringing. Great.
PNC's virtual wallet gives you more control of your money than ever before. Whether you
And
use
there's
the
the
money bar to
transcription.
click and
So
drag
this is
cash
starting
between
to go
accounts, or
already.
use the calendar to help manage the flow of your cash, PNC's
And I can
virtual
do a couple of
wallet
things. I
allows you
might
to
say
take
action
control
step.
of your money.
We need to
PNC,
follow
for
up on the
achiever in
temperature
all of
later.
us. Today's date is Friday, March 29th. PNC Bank time, 9:14. The
But you
current
can see that it's
55.
capturing
The local area weather, showers today, high near
each of us
59.
in different colors
Rain
inside the
and cold
transcription
tonight,
window.
low near 39. Thank you for calling.
You're welcome. Thank you for the time and temperature. And that's it. It's all done. It's starting to actually collect a summary and give me information. So the big thing, and this is important if you are, we're actually going to go up to have a call center. This becomes important because it will capture positive and negative sentiment already for you. And also during a live call, if you have a supervisor, they can actually get information that there are a lot of negative sentiments happening and can actually intervene into the phone call if you get their call center package, which is, in my mind, pretty huge. So you've got you can actually do a search. So I could do a search in here for temp, and I can pull up that information and I can take notes. I can also share this, so I can get a copy link, and then we're going to open up a web browser and we'll paste that in. But I can so simply send the transcript to anybody that I talk to, and they can view that transcript, and I can basically hand out the notes quickly from our conversation and see who is talking when. So obviously National City Bank, and then no name. It's assumed that it knows that I am that person. So that is a quick tip from Dialpad. It is an extremely inexpensive service on a monthly basis, and it is extremely intelligent, and it will work with any device, a web browser, a smartphone, a desk phone. It doesn't matter. It will reach you at all of those. And we'll do a little bit more about Dialpad and some of its other features later, but this is just an awesome introduction to the service. So if you're thinking about changing your phone provider or thinking about changing your phone system, this is also an inexpensive system to deploy. Where if you were a company of say 25 or 25 phones that needed to be deployed, that cost could be somewhere in the tens of thousands of dollars, and we can do this for just a few $1,000s for the same amount of people. So very simple, very awesome Dialpad. This is your quick tip from Jack Murphy. Have a great one. Bye-bye.